I guess that's the only thing I can say. Give it time. I forgot an @ symbol here. So, I think this actually worked though. Let's try this again. It should auto rebuild, hopefully. I can probably build this demo in 5 minutes with ASP.NET MVC using the Telerik UI controls. I should do that just to show the difference. But it did it. It's round tripping. Like we got from disk to Azure back to Blazor. So we did it. All of that to discover that I'm a person, a man, and also male. We have access to other things in here now. Whoa, open a console somewhere. We have access to other things now though. We could, inside of this block, paragraph at, oh, this is all tags. We could still do it here, I think. Image, or is analysis. Oops, I'm doing it again. At analysis dot description. Bam. I don't know why I rebuilt. I could have just refreshed. So I don't know if anybody actually stayed the entire time, but if you did, thank you very much for staying on for 4 hours, 40 minutes of madness. Image description details. I guess there was more to that namespace. Description dot captions. That's what I needed. But now, I mean, we're wired in now. Now we can go bananas. Now we can get all kinds of stuff out of this. And I added the color API to this as well. So remember I did that when we inspected some of the data earlier. Oh, geez. This is an array. Captions is an array. There's has an S, it's pluralized, multiple captions. Let's just take the first one. How about that? Jeez. Let's spit out a couple color ideas here too. At another p tag here. At analysis dot color dot dominant background dot dominant background color is what? Color, wait, string. Good. That's what I want to see. So give me back the string that is the dominant color background. I'm going to anticipate this blue, purplish Visual Studio Toolbox color. And like literally this is something that was sitting on my desktop, so I feel like this is so vain right now. Like I just keep loading my face in here over and over again. That wasn't my intention for this demo. It just happened to be the thing that was on my desktop. Black? How is the dominant color black? Are there more pixels of my hair in this piece of thing here? And I still didn't get this image caption thing yet. Image caption first. Text. Holy criminy. That's a deeply nested object. Dominant background color. Let's try dominant foreground color. Let's see what that one gives me back. Refresh this again. And the beauty of this is it only works for 7 days and then the API gets cut off. So I'm glad we're doing this all now. It still says black. Are you kidding me? At least we got man smiling for the camera. This is me smiling. All right. Dominant foreground color and background color are both black. Dominant color, maybe accent color. Give me something good to work with. I don't know why it keeps coming back black. This is not what I want from it. I want that color. Oh, there we go. I don't know what color that is, but it's something we can work with. Let's drag it into this address bar. That easy. We can translate it into... What is that? Was that my skin color or something? Where's this gold color coming from? Oh, it didn't copyright. That's not a correct color code, that's why. Starts with an 8. What the hell is this giving me back? Accent color. A possible accent color. I don't know what color book that comes out of. 8512B9. But it doesn't seem like a... Oh, wait, there we go. Oh, okay, it's purple. That'll work. All right, so that's the purple I was looking for. Now we can do something with it. Let's do this. Div. Whoops. Style, padding 10 pixels. Color. It's giving me too much IntelliSense. This is like IntelliSense overload. And I actually need to put a pound here as well. I don't know what that'll do when it comes back with nothing. So we'll see if it blows up or if it works. Actually, there's a better method I could use for that too. Just wrapping it in a div. 9 p.m. Gotta run. I know it's getting late. Thanks for sticking around. And thanks for all the help, Coated Beard. I think I broke it with that. Something's null, so it's just blowing up. Blah. Yep, null reference exception. I figured that was going to happen. It's trying to access that analysis.color on something that's null. So that's going to blow up. So I could do this instead. Style equals let's open up a code thing here. I mean, this is just not the way I would normally code something, but I'm just doing this for example purposes only. Let's say analysis if it's not null, then we'll set the style to let's see, can we single quote this? Double quotes work. All right, so we can say style equals border dot border 1 pixel. We're going to do 5 pixel, 5 pixels solid. See if we can use string interpolation. We can. We can say analysis dot color, accent color, and then, oops, this should be a question mark. I think that's kind of what I'm doing. So we'll do this, and then otherwise it'll be nothing. Right, so let's give that a try. I may be overthinking it, but that should work. Could do null and the double question mark I think would work as well. Ooh, something, oh no, that worked. Kind of worked. Image, style, border. The border's getting over, or no, it's not. Why? Oh, yeah, thank you. Cannot pronounce your name, sorry. Sava Krazava? It's probably something that's concatenated together, I'm sure. But thank you for pointing that out. There should be a pound right here, or a hash, however you like to say that, on the color. And then that'll be, I think this is going to wrap things up. Going to grab my image, and then we should have a nice, there we go. That's what I was trying to say. You can take a color out of the image and make that part of your UI. So that shows how you could do that. So if I took another image, let's take, on my desktop, it's all images of me. Here, I'll grab a coworker of mine. Let's post Jen's image here. Hope she doesn't mind. It's on her profile anyhow. And look at that. It matches the color of her shirt. Like, how cool is that? That the Vision API like picks that up automatically for us. Enough pictures of me. Let's do Rick and Morty. Oh, it was a GIF, so there's an error actually happening. Oh, wait, no, it worked. Oh, it's animated. Oh, wow, that's... we just went not safe for work on that one. Thank you, Rick. Let's do a tank. That's fun. All right, so it picked up the color from the tank. So I think we've had enough fun with this today. Let's call it quits. I think this is awesome, though. So this actually works, and we'll commit this